Come and spend the day with me in Prague doing some pretty unique things I haven't really seen other people talk about. We woke up at our hotel and had the all-inclusive breakfast, which we absolutely feasted on. There's something about European breakfasts that just hit differently. We, of course, saw the famous Charles Bridge, but before we walked on, we took a right and headed into the church right in front of it. It was completely free and absolutely gorgeous. Once we crossed the Charles Bridge, we actually saw a person at the top of one of these towers. And we were like, wait, we need to go up there. The walk up was a little bit sketchy and kind of eerie, but the views were totally nuts. Of course, I forgot the part where we actually had to climb back down, and that wasn't so fun, but it was definitely worth it. Forgot to record this part, but it absolutely started pouring rain on us, so we ran back to our hotel, got changed, then headed to our next stop, which was at Pilsner Urquell for their Tapestry Academy. This was actually so fun. You basically go into this back room, and this master tapestry guy walks you through exactly how to pour beer from the Pilsner specific taps. Pilsner Tapestry Academy was the perfect pregame for the next event, which was a medieval dinner. I'm a fantasy book lover. It's basically my personality and identity, so this experience was prime. There were belly dancers, a little performance, acrobatics, even a girl balancing a sword on top of her head. There were a ton of people out on the town square at night, so we just kind of walked around, and that was my day.